Welcome back to Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we are introducing a project that offers a completely free airdrop. The project we want to introduce is ProdigyFi. This is a DeFi project that provides dual investment products, allowing users to earn profits by setting target prices to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. According to their official Twitter page, they have successfully raised $5 million in funding, led by QuantStamp, Republic, and other investment funds. The project operates on the Berachain network. How to participate in the airdrop? The participation process is very simple. But before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on promising projects in the future. Step-by-step guide. 1. First, click on the link provided in the video description. 2. Connect your wallet. Here, I am using MetaMask. 3. Switch the network to Berachain Berachain. You can also enter our referral code to support our channel. Four. Click on Get Gas Token to receive gas fees for transactions. Enter your wallet address here. The system requires you to have at least 0.001 ETH in your mainnet wallet, which is approximately $3. Once done, you will receive gas tokens successfully. 5. Next, click on Get Testnet Tokens to receive test tokens. Gas fees on Berachain are minimal. Six. Now, look for the available pools below and click Subscribe to participate. You will have 4.2 billion USDC for testing. Enter the amount of USDC you want to use and click Subscribe. Then confirm the transaction. Done. Seven. Go to the Create Vault tab and fill in the required fields. Enter the amount you want to deposit in the vault. Ensure you have enough balance for future interactions. To maximize your rewards, complete these daily tasks and interact with the platform as much as possible. Additionally, you can invite friends to join and earn extra project points. That's it. We've just introduced the ProdigyFi project and how to participate in its airdrop. We hope this guide is helpful to you. If you found this content useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on potential future projects. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.